In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find ETrade User ID. If you've ever needed to confirm which user ID is tied to your ETrade account, or you simply want to make sure you've got the right one saved, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to look inside your account settings, with a few helpful tips along the way. Start by logging in to ETrade using the official website or the mobile app. Make sure you're on the legitimate ETrade sign-in page and that your connection is secure. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Next, head to your profile. On desktop, you'll typically find this in the upper right corner under your profile icon or your name. On mobile, look for the menu icon or your profile avatar to access account settings. The profile area is where ETrade groups personal details and account preferences. From Profile, open Security Settings. This section controls your sign-in information and other security-related preferences. It's the right place to confirm or manage details tied to your login, including your user ID. Now click Change User ID. Even if you're not planning to change anything, this is the spot where your current user ID is visible. In many cases, you'll see your existing ID displayed right on the security settings page. If not, selecting Change User ID will open a screen where your current ID appears in the field before you make any edits. Simply take a moment to note it. If you do not want to update it, you can back out or cancel without saving changes. A few quick tips while you're here. Your user ID is part of your sign-in credentials, so treat it as sensitive information. Avoid sharing it publicly and only enter it on the official ETrade site or app. If you ever decide to update your user ID later, choose something unique and memorable, and avoid using personal details that could be guessed. Also, consider reviewing your other security settings while you're in this section to make sure everything is up to date. That's all there is to it. Log into ETrade, go to Profile, open Security Settings, and select Change User ID to view your current user ID. Once you've confirmed it, store it securely and close out of the settings. When you're done, remember to sign out, especially if you're on a shared or public device. Thanks for watching, and I hope